For the installation manual support team, I'm going to show how to use the installation manual index and prepare it for printing. To find the document, go to the M drive and under Drafting, Engineering Documents, Installation Manual, select the Installation Manual sheet Printing Instructions. Here, you'll see that there's a link to open the Excel Installation Manual Index, which is a cloud-based document, so it's always the same live version whenever you open it. When you hit Control and click, that'll open up the Installation Manual Index. Once that's open, if you were developing one of these details, you'll see that the status is changeable to be able to tell what needs to be worked on, what needs to be developed from scratch, and what's completed. If you were working on this and you were completing it, you can change the status to completed, and then it's ready for printing. When you're ready to print, we'll open up a blank Word document. And then under the Design tab, we'll format it. So for the orientation, we'll change to landscape. The size will change to 11 by 17, and columns will change to 2. This way it'll be ready to print and insert directly into the installation manual. Back on the Excel file, we'll sort this to only include the completed and the blanks. And now it's got just the things that we want to print. Select the 3 columns and hit Control-C for copy. Next, go back to your Word document and hit Control-V for paste. This preps the document and gets it ready with 2 columns now. I want to see both of these indexes with the header on both sides. So when you see that there's a table on a Word document, it brings up this extra tab with table tools with design and layout. So under layout, if you hit repeat header rows, now your header occurs on both columns. I also want to print this so that the border prints at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to select this row over here, and under Design, I'll select Bottom Border. Now this will be ready to print. I'll go to File, Print, change this to Bluebeam PDF. It's formatted correctly. It's all on one page. So then I'll just go ahead and hit Print. This will pop up with the Save As document. We're going to save it in that installation. We'll save it in the Engineering Documents, Installation Manual, installation.pdf folder, and we'll name it by shop or field installation manual _index, and then with the date on it. So in this case, I'll just make the next day and hit Save. That'll save the document in the PDF format. And then from here, this will be ready to print into the combined installation manual.